and I'm about to talk about Spain, the Kingdom of Spain. I was actually in Spain for my holiday in summer. We stayed there for a week and I visited some great cities like Barcelona and Montserrat. It's a city on a massive hill which you can either walk to, it would take like 30 minutes to walk, or you can drive through or you can go there by train. The view from there is amazing, and there's also a church from there and an art museum, and there's also a school of art there. There's a festival in Spain called Data Martina where people throw tomatoes all over the place. There are about 15,000 tomatoes thrown in that festival. There is actually no tooth fairy in Spain, except instead of a tooth fairy, they have a legend called Ratoncito Perez who changes children's gifts. Teeth for gifts. It's basically a tooth rat or mouse. With 410 million native speakers, Spanish is the second most popular language in the world. It's the official language of Spain and over 15 countries. And hola means hello. 58 million tourists go to Spain every year, making it the fourth most visited country in the world. Some fun facts about Spain. 43% of world's oil production is done in Spain. It is believed that modern humans first arrived in Spain around 32,000 years ago. The bull is the national animal of Spain. So, some questions. Was I at Spain?
Yes.
You get one candy. What was my favorite city? You know.
Montserrat?
Yes. Get one candy. What does the word hola mean in English? Donna. Yes. What is the national animal of Spain? You know. And I don't have any candy. So.